our beers.
One must protect the secrets uncovered by the tongue. Everything is reached and seen it, soaking like a sponge. All the pestering and posing on the pedestal up there. Hook me up to the electricity and show to me the glare. Welcome, now you're breathing on your own. Sorry that we took you from the doorstep of your home. All the sorrow that lives through flesh and bone. Know that you will never be alone. Know that you will never be alone. Puts trouble in the air. Every risk that they have taken